migration of the Sephardim from Spain in 1492 over the last 500 years. This oil on canvas is on permanent exhibition at the Center of Jewish History in New York. As you may know, the Hebrew word for Spain is Sefarad, and we trace our beloved language, Ladino, and cuisine to medieval Spain. There, the Jews prospered during the 10th and 11th centuries, a period referred to as the Golden Age. This era ended with the Spanish Inquisition in 1492, when the Jews were persecuted and expelled. Many sought refuge around the Mediterranean. One of the more prominent communities was established on the island of Rhodes, which at the time was part of the Ottoman Empire. The Jews, who called themselves Spaniards, continued to live on this island after the Italian occupation in 1912. Rhodes then became affectionately known as Isola de Leros,